Hey guys, how are you all? I hope you are safe and healthy, and today I'm going to teach you how to use the operators block and also do a correction in the sensing blocks, which I did a mistake in. Just a minute, I'll set it to the normal one, which I did a mistake in the previous video. So the mistake was set mode draggable or not draggable. So this is when we do full screen, or like I am over here and I can drag it to any position. I can bring it any X position, any Y position, any direction. But when we do full screen, then we can't edit any of these things. But I am able to. Why? Because I have enabled the option to set drag mode draggable. But if I do not draggable, then it won't drag. Okay, I didn't press this button. Yes, now it isn't dragging, and by default not draggable is selected. So now let's move on to the operators block. So the first one is value written over here plus following value. Okay, like I write over here 15 plus 15. So 15 plus 15, 30. We can click over here and know. So and we got this. Now we can also use some other option like X position and the Y position. Now what is the current X position and the Y position? It will be plus, and we can and if we want to go to that particular X position or Y position, then we can do it like I want it to go to that X position, so its current X position and Y position will be plus and brought and the sprite will be brought to that particular X position. So you see, it's done like this. Okay, now let's move on to the next one, which is minus. We can do the same thing over here. Yes. So it will minus the current X position and Y position and bring it to that in that particular X position. So here we go. And this is a multiplication work. When we multiply those X position and Y position or anything written, and you see it goes over there because the current which is the X position and Y position, so it multiplies that and goes over there. Like I can also put some numbers over here like 2 multiplied by 6, and I can pull it out and see it's 12. We all know. Okay, now the other one is division, and it divides the following number or put those type of text, and it will set the X position to the current X position and Y position, which is divided, and here we get it. Okay, now pick random 1 to 10 or any number. Now this is mostly used for doing all those costume changes or while plussing all those calculator gains. Now we can now I have made some 5 costumes over here, for example, and we can do it like we'll just have an option switch costume to anything, and we want it to pick any random costume from 1 to 5, and it put it over here. So it will pick any random costume from 1 to 5 and put it over here when I click the green flag. So any random costume will come over here. Now the next one is the value written over here anything is less than the value written over here thing. Sorry. For this I'll take the block. Sorry, not this one. Yes. Okay. So like I can take if 20 is greater than 50. We all know 20 isn't greater than 50, but for that it has to check it that if 20 is greater than 50, then it will do the further code. But 20 isn't greater than 50, then what it will do is simple. Like we can put any text over here like this one. So 20 isn't greater than 50, then it isn't doing the further code. But if I do it to 75 and it is greater than 50, then it will work, and we can write any other number here over to 100. Now 75 isn't greater than 100, then it won't work. and we have the other block which is the lesser than. We can take 30 lesser than 50, and yeah, we can click over here. It's true, we all know 30 is lesser than 50, but if 30 is lesser than 50, but if we type any other number which is greater than 50, then it won't do the further code. See, it is less, but now I will write 60, and 60 it's greater, and now equal. If the particular thing is equal to it, like 20, I'll keep 50 for now. So if 50 is equal to 50, and yes, it is equal, so it will give the particular option. And this and over. So here we have to put some value, like here I can put over here is, just a minute. I'll just select the particular option. Yes, okay. So now I'll go over here. Yes, just I'll choose this, which is, I'll write over here 55 greater than 50, and another number from 70, and 70 greater than 50. So these both numbers are greater than 50. These means these both options are greater than 50. So we while using this AND one, so we have to write all those options in these two thingies, in these two sections. So we have to put only those things, and if these both aren't, the further code it will be false. Like here the both are working and this is true, but if I do it to 49, so one is true but one is false, so it won't work, it will give it false. Now I'll put it back to 55. Okay, so now I'll put it over here, and if 55 is greater than 50 and 70 is greater than 50, which is both are the answer, so it will say yes or do the further code. And or one is like, if you want that only one will be correct and the other one won't, then and the other one won't, then this is a correct block which you should use. Now 55 is greater than 50 and 70 is also greater than 50. So here we see that both are true, but we can put it like 45. Is it greater than 50? No, it isn't, but it will show true because one of them is right. But if I do like 30, so now both of them are false, so it will give false. Now like if I put it over here, nothing will be done. But now if I do it to 55, so now one is true and one is false, so it will say yes or do the further code. Now not is something which isn't done. Like if 55 is not greater than 50 but it is, then it will do that thing. Like I'll put it, I'll put it over here. So because 55 is greater than 50, then it won't do the code. Or if I do 25, and because 25 is false, can you see it says here. And I guess I can do another thing. If touching mouse pointer, then it isn't touching mouse pointer, then it will do the further thing over the further code. Now join apple or banana or anything which you wanted. So it joins the written text. It joins them together. Like you see apple and banana, so it says apple space banana. Now it just joins the text together. Now it was space over there in the apple word, so you see the space, but if I remove it, then it won't be any space. So you have to put space over there if you want there to be any space. Like I can do it too, and you can also write multiple things, like I'll show. just like this. So I want to join Zoya's Scratch Nation. Oh. Okay, so Zoya's Scratch Nation. Now there isn't any space because I haven't do that. So because if I haven't done that, so there won't be any space. But if I do this, as soon as I do it, so I will get the space over here. So this is like that. And the other one we have got is letter 1 or the letter first of apple or anything. Like we can take Spanish. I've been learning Spanish on Duolingo. Okay, or food. Oh, food. Okay. Now the letter which is the first letter of food? It's F. Or the second letter? It's O. The fourth letter? It's D. But if I write 8th letter, no, it would say nothing because there aren't any 8 numbers. Or if I say 0, they are not 0 numbers or nothing. So it would work like that. And length is how much does how many words does it have? Like Zoya has 4 words. This word has 4 words, 4 letters. Okay, it will be like that. And apple contains A. Now the written word contains A. Apple contains A. So if it yes, but if I say apple contains H, no, it doesn't. So it won't work. And the mod one, this is also something related to maths. Try it out. You see, it works something like minus or something. I guess it works for division. I was learning about this, but I kind of forgot. And the round off the word, like I can take 15.5. Now 15.5, what's the closest? 16. Oh, but if I do 15.2, what's the closest? It's 15. So now I'll remove this. And these ones, these have lots of some we have got these math formulas, and for this you should know all those formulas, and I can't explain every of them and because we haven't learning this all these. So these is related to math formulas, so if you are well known in this, then you may work upon it. So it was all for today, and thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe.